The wait is finally over. For years, we've heard the rumors, seen the concept sketches, and watched the takeover of Sauber. But today, in the heart of Berlin, it became real. Audi has officially pulled the covers off their first ever factory Formula One car, the Audi R26. This isn't just another team joining the grid. This is the arrival of a motorsport legend ready to redefine the Vorsprung Durch Technik philosophy in the pinnacle of racing. Today, we're breaking down the livery, the tech, and the lineup that aims to take Audi to the top of the podium by 2030. First, let's talk about that look. Audi is sticking to its roots. The R26 features a striking blend of titanium silver, carbon black, and a vibrant new lava red. It's an aggressive, technical design. Silver dominates the front and side pods, flowing into a raw carbon black engine cover that saves every possible gram of weight. The iconic four rings are finished in bold red on the nose and rear wing. You'll also notice a massive presence from Revelet, their official title partner. The team will compete as Audi Revelet F1 team, and the integration of the sponsors into the geometric patterns makes this arguably the cleanest-looking car on the 2026 grid. Underneath that beautiful skin is where the real magic happens. Unlike many teams that buy engines, Audi is a full works team. Their power unit is 100% developed in Nürburgring, Germany. With the 2026 regulations shifting toward a 50-50 split between internal combustion and electric power, Audi is going all in on efficiency. Mattia Binotto, the head of the F1 project, and team principal Jonathan Wheatley have emphasized that while they are newcomers, the commitment from the Audi board is absolute. They've already run a shakedown in Barcelona earlier this month, becoming the first team to put a 2026 spec car on track. Who's taming this beast? Audi has gone for a perfect master and apprentice pairing. Nico Hulkenberg, the veteran. Fresh off his first ever F1 podium last year, Nico brings the technical feedback Audi needs to develop a brand new car from scratch. Gabriel Bortoleto, the rising star. The Brazilian sensation proved he belongs in F1 during his rookie season last year, and now he gets to lead the charge for one of the world's biggest brands. Audi CEO Gernot Döllner didn't mince words today. He stated that Audi isn't here to make up the numbers. Their goal? To be fighting for the World Championship by 2030. It's a massive challenge. They are going up against Ferrari, Mercedes, and a Ford-backed Red Bull. But with the infrastructure at Hinwil, the former Sauber base, and the engine power from Nürburgring, Audi has the most solid foundation of any new entry in decades. So, what do you think of the R26? Is it the best-looking car for the 2026 season, or is it too safe? And more importantly, can Hulkenberg and Bortoleto actually put Audi on the podium in their first year? Drop your predictions in the comments below. If you love F1 tech and livery reveals, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our deep dive into the 2026 regulations coming up next. Ride fast, and I'll see you in the next one.